Hi, and welcome back to the farm. I thought today we would talk about our Jersey Giants. On our farm, we have a Jersey Giant flock that consists of Mr. Daphne, our rooster, and 12 hens. We have 10 black and 2 blue. These birds originated in the United States in the 1880s in New Jersey by brothers John and Thomas Black. The brothers bred these birds to try to help with the turkey issue in the meat during the war, and hopefully that they would take over as a commercial bird. The Black brothers crossed black Javas, dark Brahmas, dark Cornishes, and black Langshans to create this gentle giant. As you can see here, gentle enough to eat out of your hand. The Jerseys do come in black, white, blue, and splash, and Mr. Daphne here, well, he's just a big blue boy. Jerseys were first admitted to the American Poultry Association in 1922, and at that time they only admitted the black and white variety. Look how cute these waddly girls are. As the name implies, Jersey Giants are very large birds, but their sweet disposition has earned them the name of gentle giants. We've owned and hatched several breeds of chickens, and out of those chickens you get roosters, and none of them compare to the gentleness of the Jersey Giant rooster. Jerseys are fairly good layers and lay approximately 150 eggs a year that are large, extra large, and shades of brown in color. Jerseys are fairly cold hardy, and the hens will go broody, and they do make very good mothers. Their heavy frame makes them a great dual-purpose breed for your backyard flock. Unfortunately, their slow maturity and poor feed-to-meat conversion prohibited them from becoming a commercial broiler. Due to this, many people stopped raising these big, beautiful birds, and the gentle giants found themselves on the conservation watch list of endangered poultry breeds. And that's exactly why we choose to keep this beautiful flock on our farm. The standard Jersey Giant cock weighs an average of 13 pounds. Mr. Daphne here, I bet you tops the scale at a pound or two more than that. The Jersey hen, with her large and waddling frame, weighs an average about 10 pounds. We have 8 to 10 pound hens, if I could guess. Although we keep our Jersey Giants in our garden through the winters, they really do not do a great job of tilling and scratching up. These lazy chickens are happy to be that, just fat, happy, and lazy. That's also what makes them perfect for your backyard flock, especially in some urban areas. Well, we sure love our Jersey Giants, and we hope that if you have Jersey Giants, you love them too. And if not, you have a flock in your backyard, consider buying and purchasing or hatching yourself some of these beautiful, gentle giants. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell to be notified of upcoming videos, and as always, until next time, have a great day.